Hello everybody, my name is Thomas Helmuth and I'm here at our Mercedes Test and Technology Center in Immendingen. My colleague Tommy and I are about to show you one of the many new safety features of the upcoming S-Class. For this demonstration we are focusing on the feature Pre-Safe Impulse Sight, working together with the optional E-Active Body Control. So both systems I just mentioned work in tandem to reduce the risk of an injury when another car hits the S-Class broadside. Of course, we want to keep Tommy safe, and that's why we are using a special target vehicle. Please, don't try this at home. So let's get the car ready and run the test. We'll put Tommy into position. Now, the target is about to approach our new S-Class right here from the side. Radar sensors can recognize the impending side collision and send a signal to the control unit. And now, our E-Active Body Control air suspension lifts the entire S-Class body by up to 8 centimeters. This, of course, depends on the triggering time and on the setting of the chassis during normal driving conditions. The approaching car is identified, and then the S-Class is quickly lifted. Now, at a greater height, a larger part of the impact energy can be absorbed by the sill instead of the doors, so that the deformation of the side can be reduced. Passengers in both the front and rear seats can benefit from this function. And that's not all. The chassis lift function works together with Pre-Safe Impulse Sight. With Pre-Safe Impulse Sight, a rapidly inflating air cushion in the seat pushes the driver or front passenger on the affected side towards the center of the vehicle, right before a side crash. And of course, it doesn't matter whether such a critical crash situation happens left or right. The air cushions are integrated in both front seats. With features like these, we can further increase the level of safety no matter where you sit. I'm sure Tommy also appreciates this. So, looks like everything is fine. Right, Tommy? Thanks for watching and stay safe.